Alright, so I'm going to give you an update on the Baja. She is finished. I finished up the wiring last week. Got all the interior done. Got the speaker box in the back. All the gauges are in. Walk around here. Got the motor all done. Got the new carb in today and just put it on. Got to do some fine tuning with it. Did put this on here. If anybody knows where I can get one that actually goes on here to keep the water out, let me know. All the wiring is hooked up to the brake lights. This side is done. Doors closed good. I will hit the key. Like I say, I still got to fine tune it, but she is running. Like I say, this is just to keep the rain out until I find one. But that is her. And I'll fine tune it when I get back from lunch. Kill that. Doors all shut good. And that is it. She will get insured this week and roll out of this garage for the first time in 11 months. She will hit the road. Thanks. Subscribe. Share this video. Let's see what you got out there. I like some more ideals for my next one, and I will show you it. And this is one that I just got. I'm gonna need some ideals for it. What color? What you think I should do to it? I know I'm gonna turn it into a Baja. Probably a fat tire, low riding Baja. But we'll see. All right, thanks.